Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to make a radio-controlled high-speed Robo Soccer Bot. I've used the FS-i6 transmitter to control the bot. It runs at 600 RPM. I didn't use any Brushed ESC or Arduino. Only used two Servo motor circuits as micro ESC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Here I have two types of motors. This is a 37GB gear motor of 600 RPM. And this is 555 37GB 500 RPM. I would suggest to use this motor for robot soccer. But in this video, I will use 600 RPM. We need 4 pieces of 85mm hex coupler, 85mm wheels, 2 BTS7960 motor driver, 2 pieces of servo motor, buck converter, double-sided wire connector, XT60 connector, 16 𝐀𝐬𝐥𝐚𝐦 wires, FS-i6 transmitter and receiver, chassis made of SS sheet with motor mount bracket. I made this from a workshop. Let's take measurements of the chassis. Take the width according to the size of your motor. Keep 2 motors like this and take the measurements. Bracket size 22 cm. The length of the bracket is 6 cm. Length of the chassis without bracket is 15 cm. You can keep it 15 to 18 cm. Height 6 cm. Don't use a chassis of plastic or wood. Plastic or wood may be broken and the weight of the robot will be reduced. The problem is that you won't get high torque from the motor if the weight of the bot isn't enough. Total weight should be a minimum of 2.5 kilograms and a maximum of 3 kilograms. Now break the servo motor and take out the circuit. Remove the motor and connect wires like this. Now attach the motors with the chassis. Connect both left and right motors in parallel. Now I'm taking a piece of project board. I will set up the whole control circuit within it. Now in BTS7960 motor, short the right enable and left enable pin together and connect it with VCC. Do this for both drivers. and connect 2 wires with VCC and ground. Connect the servo motor's 2 wires with right PWM and left PWM. Do this for both drivers. Attaching buck converter with PVC board. And set the output at 5 volts. Now attaching both motor drivers with PVC white board. Connecting VCC and ground of both motor drivers in parallel. I've made this to provide power in the receiver and motor driver from the buck converter 5 volts. Check all the connections before providing power. Now connecting battery terminal with both motor drivers. These are for connecting motors. Now I'm connecting the receiver. First, connect the 5-volt power line to the receiver. Then connect the right servo motor signal to both servo motors with the receiver. Right motor driver with channel 1 and left motor driver with channel 2. Make the connection carefully. After making all the connections, cover the whole circuit using an electric tap. Now attach the circuit in the bot using a duck tap. Connect motor terminal. I can detach the circuit easily if any change is needed. Now come into the controller setting. We need to mix both channel 1 and channel 2. For this, go to Setup Mode, 𝐬𝐬𝐿 and turn 𝐬𝐬 on. Long press Cancel button to save. Then go to reverse and make channel 1 and 2 reverse. Long press Cancel button to save. Let's test it. Attaching wheels. You can see motors are running without giving a signal from the transmitter. To solve this, keep the potentiometer of the servo motor in the exact middle position. Tune it until the motor stops. You can solve it by changing the settings in the controller, making both channels 1 and 2 reverse or vice versa. Now see the result. It's so smooth.